Okay, after high demand by YouTuber Patrick Nedz, we're gonna take a look at the... No! They modded the elevator? No! Bullshit. I don't know, I'm requesting a video for Patrick Nedz, you know, YouTuber. This isn't even thing even work. Man! I fucking modded. Looks like I got all new doors and stuff. Well, bad news, Patrick. This old Westinghouse has been completely modernized. I think Commercial Industrial did it. Like, why the hell did they have to replace the indicator? Like, what was wrong with it? It was like an all new cab. I mean, the cab's still the same, but they gave a whole new door. Like, what the fuck? This is pathetic. Why? You gotta be kidding me. They got rid of the old indicator as well? What the fuck? Hold on, let me see if the door's changed down here. Bullshit. Fucking... Oh, for crying out loud. They changed the door on it. Why? Well... Third-party division crap. Hold on, is this motor still original or is it a new motor? I can't even hear because of the damn fan in the way. And that's a new fan also. What the fuck? I mean, the cab's still the same from when it was a Westinghouse, but of course they had to fucking mod the thing and then put a fucking generic Commercial Industrial, more like Commercial Industrial my ass. This is bullshit. Man.